Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel. Today we are going to do a video on sentence types. Okay, so what are sentence types? There are declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. So let's see what are declarative sentences. Declarative sentences tell us something. They state a fact or give information. For example, the cat sat on the mat. This is a declarative sentence. Whereas interrogative sentence ask a question. They end with a question mark. For example, did the cat sit on the mat? This is an interrogative sentence. And next, the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence tell us to do something. They give a command or instruction. For example, sit on the mat. This is an imperative sentence. And the next one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence show surprise or excitement. They end with an exclamation mark. For example, the cat jumped on the mat. This is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, I hope you got an idea about the sentence types. So let's see some more examples. I love pizza is a declarative sentence. Is the sky blue? It is an interrogative sentence. Close the door, please. It is an imperative sentence. What an amazing view! It is an exclamatory sentence. The flowers are blooming beautifully. It is an declarative sentence. Can you help me with this? It is an interrogative sentence. Please be quiet. It is an imperative sentence. What a delicious cake! It is an exclamatory sentence. The sun is shining brightly. It is an declarative sentence. May I have your attention, please? It is an imperative sentence. The rain is pouring down. It is an declarative sentence. Are you ready to go? It is an interrogative sentence. Please be gentle. It is an imperative sentence. What a fantastic performance! It is an exclamatory sentence. The stars are twinkling in the night sky. It is an declarative sentence. Can you pass the salt, please? It is an interrogative sentence. What a wonderful day! It is an exclamatory sentence. The birds are singing sweetly. It is a declarative sentence. Can you believe it? It is an interrogative sentence. What a fantastic meal! It is an exclamatory sentence. The wind is blowing through the leaves. It is a declarative sentence. Please close the window. It is an imperative sentence. What a lovely smell! It is an exclamatory sentence. The rain is falling on the roof. It is a declarative sentence. Please bring me an umbrella. It is an imperative sentence. The sun is shining brightly. It is a declarative sentence. Please take off your shoes. It is an imperative sentence. What a delicious cake! It is an exclamatory sentence. The flowers are blooming in the garden. It is a declarative sentence. Please be careful with the glass. It is an imperative sentence. What a scary movie! It is an exclamatory sentence. The car is parked in the driveway. It is a declarative sentence. Please turn off the lights. It is an imperative sentence. What a fantastic game! It is an exclamatory sentence. The cat is sleeping on the couch. It is a declarative sentence. Please be patient. It is an imperative sentence. What a beautiful day. It is an exclamatory sentence. The birds are singing in the trees. It is a declarative sentence. Please be quiet. It is an imperative sentence. What a lovely song. It is an exclamatory sentence. The stars are twinkling in the night sky. It is a declarative sentence. Please help me with this. It is an imperative sentence. What a wonderful book. It is an exclamatory sentence. The moon is shining brightly. It is a declarative sentence. Please be careful not to trip. It is an imperative sentence. What a fantastic meal. It is an exclamatory sentence. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.